Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So dear friends, in this video I'm going to show you most beautiful creative crochet cushion cover designs, different style, different design, different color combination in front of you one by one. Hope so you understand all the design, all the ideas you see in my YouTube channel, many different patterns about crochet work, handwork, knitting work. Please visit my channel and see more ideas. And ask me in comment section which type of new video, if you more ideas, if you want any confusion and if you want any question about crochet work. So ask me in comment section, I will upload it next video about your comment and I will explain you in comment section. So dear friends, these designs are so stunning and unique. So don't skip the video, watch video start to end. So viewer, share my video, close friend, relative, family, crochet expert, customer and others. Crochet color combination is very important. Color combination enhance your designs and looking very fabulous crochet pillow cover designs. These designs are so stunning and unique. We have designer as you can order and get amazing crochet cushion cover designs and other material. If you want to buy amazing collection, these designs are so stunning and unique. So dear friends, you know guys, crochet is always most beautiful, stylish, expensive also. So I suggest you to watch this video delve for more ideas. Thanks for watching my video that I've uploaded daily routine for you. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my channel and my uploading videos. Allah Hafiz.